Furnace won't ignite? Your ignition system might be failing. If your furnace clicks several times before lighting, or doesn't ignite at all, it means the ignition system is struggling. This is a common cause of no heat during colder weather. At Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning, we diagnose ignition problems quickly. Common reasons your furnace won't ignite: weak igniter, dirty flame sensor, low gas pressure, and more. Multiple ignition attempts can damage the system and leave you without heat. Why Houston homeowners trust Uptown: same-day appointments, licensed HVAC techs, and clear repair options. Schedule your furnace ignition check today and get your heat back on fast.